Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Nissan Murano. Start by gathering all your necessary supplies, including a new oil filter, fresh engine oil, a drain pan, and an oil filter wrench. It's crucial to have your Nissan Murano on a level surface and securely supported by jack stands for safety. Always check your owner's manual to confirm the precise oil type and the exact amount of oil your engine requires for optimal performance. Now, carefully slide your drain pan under the engine's oil pan to catch the used oil. Locate the drain plug, typically a 14mm or 19mm bolt, and slowly loosen it with a wrench. Once the plug is out, let all the old, dirty oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes for a thorough drain. After the oil has drained, remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Clean the filter's mounting surface thoroughly. Apply a thin film of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on by hand until snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Replace the drain plug, tightening it to 25 foot-pounds for a secure seal. Now, using a funnel, slowly pour approximately 5 quarts of the correct new engine oil into the fill port. Start your Murano's engine and let it run for about 1 minute, checking for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Turn off the engine, wait 5 minutes, and then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.